Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We got one of Samsung's brand new soundbars in. This is the Q60R. Their new series kind of corresponds with their QLED sets. So you got a Q60, Q70, 80, and 90. This one is kind of the entry point of those particular soundbars. So we're gonna unbox it here for you in this quick video and show you what comes inside. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is actually tip it up on its side. And sorry, we're gonna lose some of the box on the camera here, but then we're gonna just cut down the tape and take the soundbar out. And there's a bunch of styrofoam in here that you can take out, just toss off to the side. And just a little more styrofoam, but no other accessories. No other accessories down there. And actually we can pull the subwoofer out the same way. And we'll set our box off to the side here. So here's the accessory kit. We'll open that up for you, show you what comes inside. So it looks like we've got an optical cable, a couple of power cords because we do have our wireless sub here that's going to need power. We've got a power brick, some wall mounting brackets, I'm assuming. Yeah, a couple of wall mounting brackets, so that's nice. You get the hardware that you need to put these up on the wall, if you choose to mount it on the wall, otherwise it can sit in front of your TV. And some feet, it looks like, to put underneath the soundbar to kind of keep it stabilized. Reading material. And just your Samsung One remote here, shaped very similarly to the ones that come with those QLED TVs. And that's kind of one of the nice things. If you do have one of those QLED sets, you can actually use the TV's remote to control the sound on this particular setup. So I'll set that out here in front so you can take a look. Nice design, it's kind of similar to last year. It's got sort of that angular look on the sides. And then just a wire mesh grill on the front and on the top. We'll cut through that. Show you guys the subwoofer. I think it's upside down. And there we have a nice compact sub, side firing there. I think this one says Harman Kardon on it as well. Harman Kardon helped tune the sound for this one. So you know you're gonna get good sound out of that. We aren't gonna do a sound demo in this video, so stay tuned because we are gonna have a full overview on this as well. Make sure you leave in the comments if there's something you wanna see, some feature that you want us to check out. Otherwise, that's everything that comes with the new Q60R soundbar from Samsung. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already so you get updates every time we upload new content.